Welcome to Soft Crew Lalla Ligan. Here we go! Woo!
Welcome to the tricking matta.
Back when I was a young nigga playing in the sand, I had some big dreams, so I made a little plan. You was out partying while I was thinking in advance, trying to get right, hoping that one day I'd be the man. The years went by, I was in my A. I got rid of all of the niggas that was in my way. I saved nickels and quarters till I could afford a studio to record and get money off the shit I said. Then my dream came true, and the fraud niggas came out. See me balling out, they think we all getting paid now. Talking like
Hello, and we are on the way to a cool spot.
like you always been down, pow. But back then when a nigga was living bummy, your ass was nowhere to be found. Wow. Look, my nigga, I ain't trying to be one of your fake ass gold digger homies. That's not it. Not what I'm doing. But can I borrow $500? I'ma pay your ass back next week, I promise.
Vad är den billigaste pizzan som finns? Ja, 10 spänn räcker det inte, vad tror du? Ska jag kolla om? Eller vad du hörde?
Det var det punkten.
Jag ställde en fråga till mamma ifall det vad kan hända. Och så han bara...
There was a chick I asked out back in 06, made her a love song, and she was like, no, bitch. Gave me the song back and I was like, oh shit, so stupid, I should've never wrote this. She was a dime piece, top of the list, a Latin girl. When her skin had a tropical twist, she never used to call me, I always had to call her. And deep down inside it was making my heart hurt, so her life went on, she didn't even involve me. The last year I ran into her in the Walgreens. She was like, Marcus, how are you? You finally made it, I'm so proud of you. So the next day she called me and asked to kick it. For the sake of the old me that was sad I did it. Come to find out she was never that terrific, especially a week later when she asked me this shit.
Hey, Marcus, I really hate to be bothered, but my rent is due and I'm like broke as fuck. So can you please lend me $1,000, please?
I can't even make friends, cause all they ever do is ask for my money. They like, let me have this, let me have that, let me have this, and they keep on coming. And let me get a dollar, give me that money. Let me get a dollar, give me that money. Let me get a dollar, give me that money. Let me get a dollar, give me that money. See, my ex-girl thinks she's slick, man. Let me tell y'all how she tried to do me. She said she didn't have a vehicle to drive to work in, so she came and asked me for 2 G's. And although I wasn't that concerned, she said her mom would pay me back soon as she got her tax return. So I committed and did it, thinking she wouldn't forget it. But she forgot it, now my stomach got a nasty burn. I called her and said, bitch, where my money? You got that?
Va?
Var är vi?
Jag tycker bara äckliga smakstall.
Ja, men jag får här.
Ja, påse.
What the hell does that have to do with my cheese? She said, okay, stop, please. I swear I'll pay it all back, Marcus, in 5 weeks. 5 weeks, huh? It's been 3 months and I ain't even heard from her.